Welcome again to Budget with Brian. I reported a little while ago on the Bosch 10.8 12V Jigsaw. Been very pleased with it. But the other day I came to change the blade, which is easy enough to do. Just push it in and this clip springs back. When you want to take it out, you flick the clip like that and out comes the blade. And it stays in that position, ready for you to put the next blade in. I recently had a problem where this stayed locked out and inserting the blade didn't lock itself in. So I had to send it back to Bosch under warranty. Rang first of all the place where I bought it, who referred me on to Bosch. Proof of purchase, etc, etc. I hadn't registered at all. I tend not to register tools. I should do, but I hadn't on this occasion. But because I've got proof of purchase and it was within all of the timescales, Bosch were very happy to book me immediately a collection. All I needed to do was repack it and print a label, put it on the box, and they would pick it up by the courier company the next day. That all happened very efficiently. For about a week I got updates from Bosch telling me what had happened. They'd received it, it had gone to the repair centre, and unfortunately they didn't have the new bit in stock, but they advised me within 2 days it would be. But lo and behold, probably 3 days later, there it was, returned on site. Bosch inquiring to make sure I was happy. You don't get warranty provision very often as slick and as professional as that. So well done, Bosch. Thank you for the return of the tool. It's working fine now and I'm very pleased again. Very happy to report on it. Thank you again for watching this brief film this time on Budget with Brian, and don't forget, subscribe, and of course any comments, don't hesitate to let me know.